Look where your Aloe can go now. Aloe to work. Aloe to play. Aloe to school. Aloe to lunch. Aloe to travel. Aloe to here, there, anywhere. New Aloe to Go from Forever Living Products. The convenient new pouch that combines 2 of Forever's most powerful nutritionals. Aloe Vera Gel and Forever Pomastine. Each Aloe to Go provides you with an incredible assortment of vitamins, minerals, amino acids, and antioxidants to keep you healthy and active. Wherever you're going, whatever you're doing. Now you can get all the benefits of Aloe Gel and Pomastine together. Anytime, anywhere. New Aloe to Go. 1 small pouch, 2 giant nutritionals.